Welcome to our roundup of the best pressure washers for cars. Whether you are looking for powerful cleaning performance, gentle paint-safe pressure, or a compact unit for easy storage, we have selected top-rated pressure washers that combine efficiency, durability, and smart design. We will break down each model's key features, including pressure level, water flow rate, motor power, nozzle options, foam cannon compatibility, and portability to help you find the perfect match for your car care routine. Don't forget to check the description box below for the latest deals. Let's dive in and find the ideal pressure washer for your car. The first on the list is the Lucy Lushy pressure washer. This model focuses on combining strong performance with user-friendly design. It features high-pressure cleaning performance, compact, lightweight body, and a multi-nozzle spray system, making it ideal for everyday home maintenance. While it may not chase extreme numbers, it delivers more than enough power to tackle driveways, siding, decks, and vehicles effectively. The Lucy Lushy unit is designed with portability in mind. Its lightweight frame and smooth rolling wheels make it easy to transport around your yard or driveway. If you are someone who doesn't want to struggle with a bulky machine, this offers a practical balance between power and convenience. Included quick connect nozzles allow you to customize your cleaning approach. You can switch from a narrow, high-impact stream for stubborn dirt to a broader spray for rinsing soap or gently cleaning painted surfaces. The integrated detergent tank makes applying cleaning solutions simple and mess-free, which is especially helpful when washing cars or outdoor furniture. Another highlight is its easy assembly. Most users can have it up and running within minutes without complicated setup steps. The onboard storage for the hose, spray gun, and power cord helps keep everything organized after use. Overall, the Lucy Lushy pressure washer is a solid, well-balanced choice for homeowners who want dependable cleaning power in a portable and easy-to-use package. Next up is the Foading 5000 PSI pressure washer. This machine is built for homeowners who want raw power and versatility in one unit. It stands out with its 5,000 psi maximum pressure, 3.0 GPM water flow rate, and powerful electric motor, delivering the kind of performance that can handle stubborn stains, caked-on mud, and deeply embedded dirt with ease. Whether you're cleaning concrete driveways, brick walls, vehicles, or outdoor furniture, this washer brings serious force to the job. Overall, the Foading 5000 psi pressure washer is an excellent option for those who want maximum cleaning power, flexibility, and strong build quality for demanding household tasks. Next, we have the Westinghouse EPX 3100V electric pressure washer. This model brings a trusted name into the mix and delivers impressive performance with its 2100 psi maximum pressure, 1.76 GPM water flow, and compact vertical design. It's engineered for efficiency and maneuverability, making it perfect for medium-duty cleaning tasks around the home. The EPX 3100V stands out with its pro-style steel wand and 5 quick connect nozzles, giving you a range of spray patterns to handle different surfaces. From washing cars and motorcycles to cleaning decks and fences, it adapts quickly to each job. The onboard soap tank simplifies detergent application, allowing you to switch seamlessly between washing and rinsing. One of the most practical features of this washer is its ultra-compact build. The vertical design saves storage space and makes it easier to tuck away in a garage or shed. Despite its small size, it remains stable during operation thanks to its low center of gravity and wide wheelbase. The high-pressure hose provides ample reach for most residential projects, reducing the need to move the unit frequently. Additionally, the automatic pump shutoff feature helps prolong motor life and improve energy efficiency. Overall, the Westinghouse EPX 3100V electric pressure washer offers an excellent combination of brand reliability, smart design, and dependable performance for everyday home cleaning needs. Next, we have the LWQ pressure washer. This model is designed for users who want powerful output with thoughtful convenience features. It boasts high-pressure output performance, advanced safety shutoff system, and a foam cannon attachment, making it highly versatile for a wide range of cleaning tasks. The LWQ pressure washer delivers strong water pressure capable of removing dirt, mildew, grease, and mud from driveways, fences, and vehicles. Its multiple quick connect nozzles allow precise control over spray intensity, helping protect delicate surfaces while still providing enough force for tougher jobs. The integrated foam cannon is especially impressive, producing thick suds that cling to surfaces and enhance cleaning effectiveness. This makes car washing more efficient and satisfying, as the foam loosens dirt before rinsing. From a design perspective, the LWQ unit emphasizes portability. It features durable wheels, a sturdy handle, and convenient onboard storage for accessories. The long hose and power cord extend your reach, allowing you to cover larger areas without constantly repositioning the unit. Safety is enhanced with a total stop system that automatically shuts off the pump when the trigger is not engaged. This reduces wear on the motor and helps conserve electricity. The build quality feels solid for residential use, and assembly is straightforward. Overall, the LWQ pressure washer strikes a strong balance between power, convenience, and affordability, making it a compelling choice for regular household maintenance. The last one on our list is the Westinghouse EPX 3500 electric pressure washer. This model takes performance up a notch and is built for those who want higher power while maintaining electric convenience. It features 2,500 psi maximum pressure, 1.76 GPM water flow rate, and a compact rolling design, offering impressive cleaning strength in a manageable package. The EPX 3500 is well suited for cleaning driveways, garage floors, siding, decks, and vehicles. The Pro-style steel wand and multiple quick connect nozzles give you flexibility for different surfaces. From onboard detergent tank allows you to apply soap easily before switching to a high-pressure rinse. One of the biggest advantages of this model is its combination of power and compactness. Despite delivering higher pressure than many entry-level units, it remains easy to move thanks to its smooth wheels and ergonomic handle. The low-profile body design keeps it stable during operation. The high-pressure hose offers solid reach, while the total stop system helps extend the life of the pump by shutting it off when not in use. Because it runs on electricity, it remains quieter and more environmentally friendly than gas-powered alternatives. Overall, the Westinghouse EPX 3500 electric pressure washer stands out as a powerful, reliable, and well-designed option for homeowners who want strong performance without stepping into bulky gas-powered machines. So that wraps up our countdown of the best pressure washers you can choose. Whether you prioritize maximum power, compact design, brand reliability, or overall value, there's a model on this list that fits your needs. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more in-depth buying guides just like this one. All the product links are waiting for you in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep your spaces spotless and stay connected.